Hello, hi, Namaskar. Welcome to a new session. In this session, we'll be discussing about Class 8 Geography Chapter 1, and the topic is resources from the book NCERT. And this session, we'll be discussing about important 20 plus MCQ questions. And let's start the session very quickly. And the first question of today's session, that is what makes an object or substance a resources? What makes an object or substance a resources? And the options of the question number 1: utility, usability, value, and option D, that is both A and B. What makes an object or substance a resources? And the correct answer for the question number 1, that is both. Utility and usability, an object or substance makes a resources. Okay, next question, question number 2. And the question number 2 asking you that which of these have some utility, which of these have some utility? And the options are for the question number 2, that is water, option B electricity, option C vegetables, and option D, that is all of the above. Which of these have some utility? And the correct answer for the question number 2, that is option D, all of the above. Water, electricity, vegetables have some utility. So these all are have some utility capacity. Okay, next question, question number 3. And the question number 3 asking you that the exclusive right over any idea or invention. The exclusive right over any idea or invention is known as, and the options are for the question number 3, option A copyright, option B patent, option C technology, option D trademark. The exclusive right over any idea or invention. And the correct answer for the question number 3, that is option B patent. The exclusive right over any idea or invention is known as patent. Okay, next question, question number 4. And the question number 4 asking you that which of these have economic value? Which of these have economic value? And the options are for the question number 4, that is option A metal, option B landscape, option 3 home remedies, and option 4, that is none of the above. Which of these have economic value? And the correct answer for the question number 4, that is option A metals. Okay, metals have economic value. Okay, next question, question number 5. And the question number 5 asking you that the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. The application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things is known as, and the options are for the question number 5, marketing, option B technology, option C ideas, and option D, that is creativity. The application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making some things. And the correct answer for the question number 5, that is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things is known as technology. Okay, next question, question number 6. And the question number 6 asking you that resources are distributed unequally over the earth because resources are distributed unequally over the earth because what is the reason behind the unequal distribution of resources throughout the earth? And the options are for the question number 6, that is option A the different natural condition, option B level of development, option C technological levels, and option D, that is all of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 6, that is the reason behind unequal resources are distributed unequally over the earth, that is the different natural condition. This is the reason behind the unequal distribution of resources throughout the earth because the different natural condition. Okay, next question, question number 7. And the question number 7 asking that resources drawn from nature and used without much modification is known as what? Resources drawn from nature and used without much modification is known as what? And the options are for the question number 7, natural resources, option B human made resources, option C cultural resources, and option D none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 7, that is the resources drawn from nature and used without much modification is known as natural resources. Okay, next question, question number 8. And the question number 8 asking you that the basis of classification of research are what? The basis of classification of research are what? And the options are for the question number 8, option A level of development and use, option B origin, option C stock and distribution, option D all of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 8, that is the basis of classification of researches are all of the above. Level of development and use is also a basis, origin also a basis of classification, and stock and distribution also the basis of classification of research. Okay, next question, question number 9. And the question number 9 asking you that the value associated with resources are dash or called as what? The value associated with resources are known as what? And the options of the question number 9: economic value, option B aesthetic value, option C legal value, and option D that is ethnic value. And the correct answer for the question number 9, that is the value associated with resources are known as economic value. Okay, next question, question number 10. And the question number 10 asking you that technology is an example of dash resources. Technology is an example of dash resources, and the options are for the question number 10, that is natural resources, option B actual resources, option C human made resources, and option D that is stock resources. Technology is an example of dash resources. And the correct answer for the question number 10, that is technology is an example of human made resources. Okay, next question, question number 10 first. And the question number 10 first asking you that non renewable resources are what? Non renewable resources are what? And the options are for the question number 11, that is those which have limited stock, made by human beings, option C derived from non living things, and option D that is none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 11, that is non-renewable resources are those have limited stock. Okay, next question, question number 12. And the question number 12 asking you that, question number 12 asking you that which one of the following is a human made resources? Which one of the following is a human made resources? And the options are for the question number 12, that is option A medicines to treat cancer, option B tropical forest, option C spring water, and option D that is all about the above. Which is a human made resources? And the correct answer for the question number 12, that is medicine to treat cancer is a human made resources. Okay, next question, question number 13. And the question number 13 asking you that using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called what? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called what? And the options are for the question number 13, that is option A resource conservation, option B sustainable development, option C both A and B, and option D that is none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 13, that is using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Okay, next question, question number 14. And the question number 14 asking you that balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called what? Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called what? And the options are for the question number 14, that is option A sustainable development, option B resources conservation, option C cycling, and option D that is none of the above. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called what? And the correct answer for the question number 14, that is it is called as sustainable development. Okay, next question, question number 15. And the question number 15 asking you that improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as what? Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as what? And the options are for the question number 15, skill development, option B training, option C human resources, and option D that is human resources development. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as what? And the options are for the question number 15, option A skill development, option B training, option C human resources, and option D that is human resource development. And the correct answer for the question number 15, that is it is known as human resources development. Okay, next question, question number 16. And the question number 16 asking you that the resources whose quantities are known is known as what? The resources whose quantities are known is quantities are known is known as what? And the options are for the question number 16, that is stock resources, option B actual resources, option C potential resources, and option D that is all of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 16, that is, it is known as actual resources. Okay, next question, question number 17. And the question number 17 asking you that which is an example of biotic resources? Which is an example of biotic resources? And options are for the question number 17: rocks, minerals, animals, and soil. Among the following options, which is an example of biotic resources? And the correct answer for the question number 17, that is, animals is an example of biotic resources. Okay, next question, question number 18. And the question number 18 asking you that coal is an example of which kind of resources? Coal is an example of which kind of resources? And the options are for the question number 18, that is renewable, option B non-renewable, option C potential, and option D, that is human made. And the correct answer for the question number 18, that is coal is an example of non-renewable resources. Okay, next question, question number 19. And the question number 19 asking you that the amount of resources available for use is known as what? The amount of resources available for use is known as what? And the options are for the question number 19, that is stock resources, option B potential resources, option C actual resources, and option D, that is man-made resources. And the correct answer for the question number 19, that is the amount of resources available for use is known as stock resources. Okay, next question, question number 20. And the question number 20 asking you that the resources which refers to number of quantity and qualities of the people is known as what kind of resources? The resources which refers to number of quantity and qualities of the people is known as what kind of resources? And the options are for the question number 20, that is natural resources, option B human resources, option C man-made resources, and option D, that is potential resources. And the correct answer for the question number 20, that is, it is known as man-made resources. Okay, next question, question number sorry, this was all about the today's session. I hope you enjoy this session, and many more students benefited from this 20 MCQ. I hope you will be benefited this session. Thank you, thanks for watching, and like this video, subscribe this channel, drop a comment, and make a share. Thank you very much.